Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many Android users face. Messenger Lite crashing with the error message Messenger Lite has stopped. If you've encountered this problem, don't worry, we've got several solutions to get your Messenger Lite back up and running smoothly. Let's jump right into it. First things first, let's start with the simplest solution that often works like magic. Restart your device. This can help clear out temporary glitches and refresh the system. The next step is to ensure that the Messenger Lite is up to date. Sometimes an outdated version can cause compatibility issues. Go to your Google Play Store and search for Messenger or Messenger Lite. If there is an update available, simply hit on it. If updating didn't solve the issue, clearing the app's cache and data might do the trick. This won't delete your messages but will reset the app's temporary files. Go to Settings, then Apps, then go to Messenger Lite, go to Storage, then tap on Clear Cache. If clearing cache and data didn't work, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Messenger Lite. This ensures a fresh installation which can resolve deeper issues. App permissions can also impact how Messenger Lite functions. Let's make sure all necessary permissions are granted. Go again to the settings, then on apps and on Messenger. Then go to permissions. Ensure all the required permissions are enabled. If none of these previous steps work, you may need to consider a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, this will erase all your data on your device, so be sure to back up your important information first. Alright, we've got several solutions to fix the Messenger Lite has stopped issue on Android. I hope one of these solutions helped you resolve the problem for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.